The Disney website that we need to visit, it's startyourdisneylandexperience.com if you just want to type it in. Scroll down and select Book Theme Park Reservation. Your tickets will be on that page, ready for you to select by clicking the tick boxes and then selecting Continue. You'll be taken to the Disney Parks reservation page. If you scroll down, you'll see a calendar of dates. The symbols on the calendar represent the 2 Disney California parks. If you see both symbols on one date, that means that they're both available for that day. Select the date that you want to attend Disney, or in our case with Park Hopper tickets, select the first day that you want to attend. Next, scroll down to select which park you'd like to attend, or in the case of our Park Hopper tickets, we will select the park that we want to start at. I'm going to select Disneyland for our first park. Select Continue, and then you'll be taken to this confirmation page, and it's here that you'll check that the details are correct. If everything looks good, scroll down and agree to the terms and conditions, and then select Continue. And then that park reservation is confirmed. If you have Park Hopper tickets or additional tickets, you'll need to repeat that for every date that you want to attend. And then you're done. For our 3-day Park Hopper tickets, I completed this process 3 times, once for each date. And each time I needed to select the park that we were going to start at. For day 1, I selected Disneyland, day 2, California Adventure, and then day 3 I selected Disneyland again. But after a certain time, 11 AM or 1 PM, depending on park availability, you can cross to the other park with Park Hopper tickets. So although you're nominating your first park, you can still change to the other park and you don't need to make an additional reservation. Now that I'm finished and I've locked in all of our dates, I'm going to select View Theme Park Reservations. Here I can scroll down and see all of our booked dates. And that's it, we're done!